today I thought I'd give you a quick little video because everybody's raving about the Mavic 2 Zoom. Well, today I'm flying the Mavic Pro. It's not the Mavic 2 Zoom, but it does have a zoom feature on it. Well, my mom always asks me, why don't you fly low? So I was telling her the reason I don't fly low and slow is because of birds. So today I thought I'd fly low and slow. And my Mavic Pro has a zoom feature on it, unlike the new Mavic 2 Zoom, which has a digital where it doesn't lose reception. Well, right about this point, I'm flying over these people and I want to zoom in on them. So there I go, zooming in. And I'm sitting there hovering, and you can see that bird come by. Oh boy, I panicked a little bit. I said, oh no, I did what I told my mom I wasn't going to do. Fly low and slow. So I backed the camera back and lifted altitude as fast as I could. And I backed out of there. So my Mavic Pro has a pretty good zoom on it. So I think I'll keep my money for a while. Here comes the bird. Bird attack. Oh, I didn't lie. He did try to attack me. But like I said, I do enjoy my Mavic Pro. And with that, I'll keep flying it for a while. I do not have the dolly zoom, and I would like that, but maybe someday. But maybe I'll keep my money for the next generation of drones and be the first one on the block. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Peace.